How much are these apples? How much are these apples? I want 1 kilo of tomatoes. I want 1 kilo of tomatoes. Do you have fresh milk? Do you have fresh milk? Please give me a small bag. Please give me a small bag. These bananas look fresh. These bananas look fresh. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I need some cooking oil. I need some cooking oil. Where is the bread section? Where is the bread section? This juice is very cheap. This juice is very cheap. I want 2 bottles of water. I want 2 bottles of water. Do you sell eggs here? Do you sell eggs here? Please show me the rice. Please show me the rice. This shop is very clean. This shop is very clean. I need a basket. I need a basket. These oranges are sweet. These oranges are sweet.